The options market can be a confusing place. Sorting through the daily avalanche of data, alerts, updates, articles, and analysis to find the most important information is an overwhelming prospect. But now you have help. Welcome to the Options News Rundown, the only program that breaks through the noise to bring you the most important news and information from the world of options. Every day, we bring you the top 5 option stories curated by the options experts at theoptionsinsider.com, the premier source for options information. The Options News Rundown is brought to you by LevelTradingField.com, the online communication, research, and quantitative platform with the largest collection of financial tools for traders, including the innovative Bitcoin Market Predictor. The Bitcoin Market Predictor is a simple prediction game where 10 people place bets on the future price of Bitcoin, and the top 3 most accurate predictions wins. Sign up at LevelTradingField.com with promo code INSIDER. The Options News Rundown is also brought to you by Market Taker Mentoring, the leader in options trading education. Get trader education, daily trade ideas, and more with a free 1-week trial of Market Taker Mentoring's Live Advantage Group coaching class by visiting markettaker.com/insider. And now it's time to break through the noise. It's time for your Options News Rundown.
Good morning. Today is February 21st, 2018. This is your Options News Rundown. I'm Dan Passarelli. Our first story of the day is from investing.com, and it is the top 5 things to know in the market on Wednesday. First thing to know is the Fed FOMC minutes are coming out. Investors will be looking closely at the Federal Reserve minutes of its most recent policy meeting scheduled for release Wednesday, that's today at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. The U.S. Central Bank left interest rates unchanged following its meeting on January 31st, the last under the leadership of Janet Yellen. And it said inflation was likely to rise this year. The comments signaled that borrowing costs will continue to climb under new central bank chief Jeremy Powell. Our second thing to know today is global markets are mixed. Global markets were mixed on Wednesday as investors look ahead to the FOMC meeting minutes. Asian stocks were up on Wednesday, with Japan's Nikkei 225 rising 0.21%, while South Korea's Kospi increased 0.6%. Hong Kong's Hang Seng surged 1.81%. In Australia, stocks were flat. Chinese markets will open Thursday after being closed most of the week for the new year. In Europe, stocks were down. The third thing to know is the dollar rises ahead of Fed minutes. The US dollar rose to a 1-week high ahead of Fed minutes. Any sign of a faster pace of monetary tightening could boost the greenback, which has been weakened in recent months. The UK jobless rate inches up. The UK unemployment rate rose from its lowest level in December, undermining the possibility of a Bank of England interest rate rise at its next policy meeting. The Office for National Statistics said that the rate of unemployment rose to 4.4% in the 3 months to December. That's up from 4.3%. And the fifth thing to know today is Bitcoin struggles to stay above 11,000. Bitcoin rose after losing steam in Asian trading on Wednesday as it struggles to stay over 11,000. Bitcoin is trading at 11,170 on the Bitfinex exchange, gaining ground from its earlier losses but still down 1.44% from its daily high of $11,724. Our second story today comes by way of investing.com. Gold prices at 1-week lows as dollar remains supported. Gold prices fell to 1-week lows on Wednesday as strength in the U.S. dollar continued to weigh, although caution ahead of the minutes of the Federal Reserve's latest meeting and uncertainty surrounding a big U.S. debt auction this week was expected to limit the greenback gains. COMEX gold futures down 0.09% at $1,333 a troy ounce by 2 a.m. Eastern Time, was the lowest since February 14. The greenback remains supported against other major currencies despite sustained U.S. deficit worries. The U.S. deficit is projected to climb near $1 trillion in 2019, following the recent announcement of infrastructure spending and large corporate tax cuts. Our third story today is from CNBC.com. Amazon has quietly launched an exclusive line of over-the-counter health products. Amazon has quietly launched an exclusive line of over-the-counter health products in a possible challenge to pharmacy retail chains that could spark a price war and put pressure on store brand profit margins. Technically, the company doesn't own these products, which are produced by private label manufacturer Perrigo, but it does put Amazon in a position to squeeze out other retailers. The e-commerce giant launched the Basic Care line in August, including 60 products ranging from ibuprofen to hair regrowth treatment. Pharmacies make money when people walk in looking to grab medicine and end up buying cosmetics and other goods. They're already losing traffic as people shop for these products online, including on Amazon. Giving them another possible reason to skip the store could hurt even more. And our next story today here is from CNBC.com. U.S. Treasury yields slip ahead of Fed minutes. The yield on the 10-year Treasury note was lower, around 2.887% at 6:55 a.m. Eastern Time, while the yield on the 30-year Treasury bond was lower at 3.146%. As higher interest rates continue to rock market sentiment, investors in the bond space will be paying close attention to news out of the central banking and data space. Mortgage applications are due at 7 a.m. Eastern Time, followed by the Flash U.S. Composite Purchasing Managers Index at 9:45 a.m. Eastern, and existing home sales at 10 a.m. Eastern. At 2 p.m., the latest minutes released by the Federal Open Market Committee is due. Minneapolis Fed President Neil Kashkari and Philadelphia Fed Patrick Harker are scheduled to deliver separate speeches during the day. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is news you can use for today, February 21st, 2018, your Options News Rundown. I'm Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart, and have a great day.
The Options News Rundown is brought to you by LevelTradingField.com, the online communication, research, and quantitative platform with the largest collection of financial tools for traders, including the innovative Bitcoin Market Predictor. The Bitcoin Market Predictor is a simple prediction game where 10 people place bets on the future price of Bitcoin, and the top 3 most accurate predictions wins. Sign up at LevelTradingField.com with promo code INSIDER. The Options News Rundown is also brought to you by Market Taker Mentoring, the leader in options trading education. Get trader education, daily trade ideas, and more with a free 1-week trial of Market Taker Mentoring's Live Advantage Group coaching class by visiting markettaker.com/insider.